All right, hey everyone, and welcome. If you're a hair professional, you know that what we do is part art and part science. Today, we're going to dive deep into that science. We're going to break down the Prohall philosophy and see exactly how their technology gives you the tools to create those absolutely stunning results in the salon. I love this quote because it really gets to the heart of what we do, right? Before we even touch on a single chemical or product, we have to remember why we do this. Hair is so personal. It's an expression of who we are. And you, the stylist, you are the artist that helps shape that story for every single person that sits in your chair. So let's start right there with that why. For Prohall, their entire approach, everything they do is built on one powerful idea: knowledge. They truly believe that the most incredible results don't just come from great products, they come from educated artists who know how to use them. So you see, their mission isn't just about moving boxes off a shelf, it's about empowering you. They know that true mastery, real artistry, comes from deeply understanding your tools and, just as importantly, the canvas you're working on. By giving you that knowledge, they're handing you the power to innovate, to create, and to get those one-of-a-kind results.
Okay, so we've got the why down. Now for the fun part. Let's see how that philosophy turns into actual science. Because to be a master artist, you have to know the very fabric you're working with. So let's break down the hair fiber to its absolute core.
Every single strand of hair has this basic blueprint. On the outside, you've got the cuticle, which you should think of as its protective armor. Then there's the cortex. This is the heart and soul of the hair. It's where you find all its strength, its elasticity, and crucially, its color. And then deep inside is the medulla, which you often don't even find in fine hair. So for us, all the magic really happens in the cuticle and the cortex. So what are those layers even made of? Well, at the end of the day, hair is basically a protein fiber. When you look at all these elements, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, and sulfur, you're really just seeing the fundamental building blocks of the amino acids that create the hair's keratin protein. Now, inside that cortex, the proteins are all held together by three different types of bonds. Think of them in levels of strength. The hydrogen bonds, they are the weakest. Just water from a shampoo or heat from your blow dryer can break them. Salt bonds are a little tougher. They react to changes in pH. But the disulfide bonds, those are the big ones. They're the strongest, and they're only broken by chemical processes like color or straighteners. Reforming these bonds is literally what makes those surfaces last.
Now, we just said pH can break those salt bonds, but honestly, it does something even more important. It's the master controller of the hair's armor, that cuticle layer. Understanding this scale is, and I'm not exaggerating, completely non-negotiable for any serious professional. This slide just lays it out so perfectly. Think of the cuticle like a door. Alkaline products, things like hair color or lightener, swing that door wide open. That lets the ingredients get inside to the cortex to do their job. Then, acidic products, like your conditioners and treatments, come in and close that door, sealing everything in and creating that gorgeous reflective shine. It really is that simple and that powerful. Okay, science lesson's over. Well, kind of. Now let's get to the practical stuff. Putting all this knowledge to work in the salon. Because the first step before you even think about mixing a color or opening a treatment is a proper diagnosis. You have to learn how to read the hair in front of you.
You know, every client's hair is unique, of course, but it usually falls into one of these four main buckets, all based on their scalp's oil production. Is the hair dry, porous, maybe a little dull, crying out for moisture? Is it that lucky, perfectly balanced normal hair? Or is it oily at the scalp and lacking volume? And, of course, there's that classic combination, oily roots with dry, thirsty ends. Nailing down which type you're working with is always step one.
And this is the million-dollar question, isn't it? You've done your homework. You've analyzed the hair structure. You've diagnosed its type and its needs. So, what's the next move? You need the right tools in your toolkit to deliver the transformation your client is dreaming of. And that is where the Prohall portfolio comes into the picture. Every single product they make is designed to be a targeted solution, blending cutting-edge technology with really powerful natural ingredients to tackle the exact needs we've just been talking about. Let's kick things off with a real powerhouse for smoothing and repair, the Select Brazilian Protein. This is your go-to for that client who wants that silky, smooth, totally frizz-free finish. Its technology works deep inside the hair fiber to make it more manageable and help it soak up nutrients. So what's the secret sauce here? Well, it's this awesome combination of ingredients that all work together. You've got lactic acid to help realign the fiber, hyaluronic acid for that deep, intense hydration, collagen for strength and elasticity, and coconut oil for incredible nourishment and shine. It's a complete system. And probably the best part for you guys in a busy salon, the application is super straightforward. We're talking one simple step. You apply it, let it process, rinse it all out, and then you finish. It's efficient and it's incredibly effective. Okay, but what if smoothing isn't the main goal? What if you're dealing with hair that's seriously damaged and just needs to be brought back to life? For that, Prohall gives us miracle therapy. This treatment is all about deep, restorative nourishment.
The power in this one comes from its vitamin-rich formula. You've got this cocktail of vitamins, including C and E, which are amazing antioxidants that fight off damage. Then you have jojoba to help balance oiliness, and even capsicum extract to stimulate the scalp and promote healthy growth. It's a total, holistic approach to hair repair.
And again, the process is simple. After you cleanse, you apply the treatment and just let it work its magic. What's great is that you can adjust the processing time based on the hair's texture and condition, which gives you complete control over that final result. So, we've covered the philosophy, the science, and the solutions. But here's the thing. All of these are just tools. The real magic, the actual transformation, that starts with you.
And this really brings us full circles, doesn't it? Every single client that sits in your chair is a chance to help write a new chapter in their personal story. A great hair transformation can be a total personal transformation. It can give someone confidence they didn't know they had.
At the end of the day, it's a partnership. You bring your vision, your skill, your artistry, and when you combine that with a deep understanding of the science and the right tools, you become unstoppable. So the only question left is, what new story are you going to help create next?